this is the first time na nakita natin si Naoya Inoue bumagsak. Round 1 is about to begin. Here we go. Round number 1. Kapit Pilipinas, they touch gloves in the middle of the ring. Southpaw. Itong si Luis Neri. Naoya Inoue inching closer, coming forward. Nakababa yung sukatan sila. Naoya Inoue tries to gauge the distance, throwing the jab, and then an overhand right missed by Naoya Inoue. Muntik yun. Heavy shots agad yung tinapon ni Naoya Inoue overhand, and then he goes upstairs again. Tumama sa noo ni Luis Neri. Luis Neri throws that 1-2 from the outside. Nakatras si Naoya Inoue, and then another overhand right coming from Naoya Inoue. Heavy shots agad yung tinatapon ni Naoya Inoue. Those shots has bad intention. There's a good jab and left to the body landed by Luis Neri. And then another one. He angles out. Luis Neri throws that wild left hook. Sumablay, and then he goes downstairs. Tumama rin. Luis Neri, hindi basta-basta magpapatalo. Nagpapakita rin ng kumpiyansa rito. Throwing wild shots, throwing heavy shots. But he missed. But there's a good left counter coming from Naoya Inoue. And then a right straight. Kalmado yung dalawang fighters. And then a jab coming from Naoya Inoue. Biglang pumayapa after bumato ng mga malalakas na suntok yung dalawang fighters. Tahimik pa. Live commentary nga, Ulaga. Ngayon, eto na. 1 minute and 35 seconds left. Round number 1. Pakiramdaman. Neri throwing wild shots. Missing by a mile. And then there's a left straight landed by Naoya Inoue. Countered by Luis Neri. Jab coming from Luis Neri, and then he throws that left straight, but there's a good body jab. Oy, tinaman na kaliwa si Naoya Inoue. Bumagsak si Naoya Inoue. Bumagsak si Naoya Inoue with a left coming from Luis Neri. Bagsak si Naoya Inoue. Luis Neri, tumama yung kaliwa. Napabuntong hininga, let's see. Magkakaroon ba ng upset? Papasok si Luis Neri. He wanted to close the show. Napilitan yumakap si Naoya Inoue. Naoya Inoue got dropped. Naoya Inoue got dropped here in the first round with a left shot. OMG! Naoya Inoue is on the back foot. Luis Neri throwing some shots. An upset is in the making. Luis Neri wanted to take out Naoya Inoue. Naoya Inoue mukhang hindi pa nakaka-recover. He's in shock. Nag-iba yung kanyang style dito. He got caught again. Naoya Inoue doesn't know how to defend himself, but he got caught with an uppercut. There's an uppercut coming from Naoya Inoue, and then he throws that straight right. Another left shot landed by Luis Neri. OMG! This is the first time that we've seen Naoya Inoue got dropped. 14 seconds. Maaga pa, patawa-tawa si Naoya Inoue. But tumawa rin si Luis Neri. And then left straight coming from Luis Neri. Medyo nag-overconfident doon. Ang ganda ng angulo ni Luis Neri. 10-8 round for the challenger. Napatawa. And this is the first time na nakita natin si Naoya Inoue bumagsak.